I was saying that I'm confused because people might tell me to do the adhan, but I'm confused how to like do the adhan without like exaggerating, because I've seen scholars, they do the adhan very like not that extreme. They don't do that much talqeen the adhan, but the adhan Medina, it's very like, I don't know, is it permissible to do in such a fashion?
What do you mean? I don't understand. The adhan is the adhan.
Beside the adhan in melody, like the way they do it in Medina.
Yani the melody, they're doing it in Medina. This is permissible.
Yes.
This is permissible, inshallah. Yes, they're a little bit overdoing it, but again, it's beautiful to listen to. It carries the message and it notifies people that it is the time for salah. Prolonging it this way and having it melodically in an over exaggerated way is not something recommended, but it's still permissible. You want to imitate that, there's no problem, inshallah.